The dictator who built an empire was killed by his most loyal servant. It's 1961, Seoul, South Korea. General Park Chung-hee seizes power in a military coup, promising to rebuild a war-torn nation. He creates giant companies like Samsung and Hyundai from nothing. The economy explodes in what becomes known as the Miracle on the Han River. He builds the Korean CIA as his personal weapon, with Kim Jae-gyu as director and closest friend. Park crushes all opposition with his secret police. For 18 years, he rules with absolute control, but by 1979, massive protests demand democracy, and Park refuses to bend. On October 26th, he sits down for a private dinner at a KCAA safehouse with his most trusted ally. Kim Jae-gyu suddenly pulls out a pistol and shoots Park dead, along with his bodyguard. The same intelligence machine Park created to protect himself becomes his executioner. Kim claims he killed for democracy, but is executed 6 months later. The dictator who trusted no one except his spy chief was Park Chung-hee.